Now you're almost ready to dig. You planned carefully, called 811, waited the right amount of time, confirmed utility responses, and inspected the site to verify their marks. You understand what the marks mean, and you documented their locations with photographs and measurements. And you know that you are responsible for maintaining the marks. That's part of respecting the marks. Respecting the marks also includes following proper procedures to avoid hitting buried facilities. For example, use extra caution when digging within 2 feet either side of a marked underground facility. This 2-foot boundary is called the tolerance zone. Keep in mind that the tolerance zone covers 2 feet from either side of the facility if the diameter of the line is unknown, or 2 feet from the outer edge when the diameter is marked. And that's when factoring in the width of the buried facility becomes especially important. If an underground line is 20 inches wide, 2 feet on either side gives you a total tolerance zone of 68 inches. Also remember, the marks don't tell you the depth of the underground lines. Even if you've done work at your site before, landscaping or erosion could have changed the depth of the facility. It might be closer to the surface than you think. Always use safe digging practices. If you're digging within the tolerance zone, first carefully expose the facilities using a vacuum excavator or dig by hand with a blunt shovel. It's recommended to pothole off-center of the marked facility line and dig to depth. Then move across to identify the facility using a gentle prying motion. This is very important in hard soil where you might need to use a bar or pickaxe. These hand tools can easily puncture a plastic line, so extra care should be taken. Proper potholing techniques should always be used to locate underground facilities before any mechanized equipment enters the dig area. We'll cover potholing and other safe digging procedures in more detail next.